Happy Sunday evening, everybody. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. We got to rip a pack. You know what that means. It is Silver Tempest Sunday. We're gonna get us some doggy duck and a little tummy luck. Let's have us a good time. Come on. Now. Can we get us a little Silver Tempest magic on this rainy Sunday evening? I do apologize for the lack of uploads. I have been trying to accumulate money and not spend so much on Pokemon cards, but I will be back and I will be ripping lots of packs. Come on, Silver Tempest. We got. I love this card. It's my favorite card in the set. Altaria. Brandon. Good old Brandon. Jinx. You owe me a soda. Emolga. Vulpix. Dreepy so sleepy. Rotom. Swirlix. Reverse. Archin. Reverse. Zeraora, non-hollow. Now! I love you all so much. Hit those buttons. Get in the 800 sub giveaway.